Good morning, students. Today I will teach you class 8 maths and chapter number first, rational number. So first I will tell you about the integers. What are the integers? Okay. So integers are the collection of positive numbers and negative numbers and zero. Okay, that means integer means what? The positive numbers and negative numbers and zero. As like here you can see that it is zero, and from zero the left side here is the negative number, that is -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. And in the right side there will be positive numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you understand what are the integers? Okay, that means positive number, negative number and zero. These all numbers are called the integer. Okay, now you have to study here the rational number. So try to understand what is the rational number. So rational number is the number which is of the form p by q, where p and q are integers, but q is not equal to 0. That means suppose a number is written here 2/3. It is a rational number. Why? Because it is of the form p by q. Okay, now you can see here this is 4/5. This is the rational number because it is of the form p by q. But think, if 2 is written, it is a rational number or not? It is also a rational number. Why? Because you can write 2 as 2/1. Okay, but if it is written 3/0, this is not the rational number. Okay, because I have told you here that if it is of the form p/q, but q should not be 0. That means डिनोमिनेटर में 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, अगर डिनोमिनेटर में 0 होगा तो वो रेशनल नंबर नहीं होगा. You understand what is the rational number? The rational number is the number which is of the form p/q, where p and q are what? Integers, but q should not be 0. Okay, now we will see here the addition of rational numbers. That means how you will add the rational number, यानी आप rational numbers को कैसे add करेंगे. Okay, now you can see here, suppose a number is written 3/4 and a number is written 5/3. Then how you will add this? Okay, I will tell you. Here are the many methods to add this, but I will tell you the very shortcut method that you can use to add these numbers. Okay, you know that this is called the denominator. This is called the denominator. Here 4 and 3 are denominators. You have to take the LCM of these numbers. Okay, and if you take the LCM of 3 and 4, you will get 12. You will get 12. So you have to make this 4 12. Okay, so what will you do? You have to multiply this 4 by 3 to get 12. Okay, now you are multiplying here 3 and you are seeing that here in the numerator it is written 3, so you have to multiply here also by 3. Okay, now you are seeing that here it is written 5/3 and this 3 you have to also make 12, so you will multiply this by 4 and you will also multiply this by 4. Okay, now if you multiply this, you will get 3 3 9 and 4 3 12 plus 4 are 20 and 3 4 are 12. Now you will see that here both the denominators are same. Okay, so you can write this as upon 12 and you will add this. So you will write 9 plus 20 and it will be 29 upon 12. This is your answer. Okay, so you understand here addition of rational number. So now I will tell you the subtraction of rational number. That means कि आप किन्हीं भी two rational number को कैसे subtract करेंगे. Okay, this method is very simple as like same. So I will tell you how can you subtract two rational number. Suppose a number is written here 3 upon 5 minus 1 upon 10. Okay, you have to subtract these numbers. So first you will take LCM of both the denominators 5 and 10. And if you take the LCM, you will get what? LCM 5 10. You will get here the 10. Okay. Now you will write here 3 upon 5. And this 5 you have to make 10. So you will multiply by 2. You will also multiply this 3 by 2. Minus you will write here 1 upon 10. This is 10. So you don't need to make this 10. Okay. So if you multiply this 3 2 is 6 and 5 2 is 10 and minus 1 upon 10. Here both the denominators are same. Okay. So you will write here 6 minus 1 and it will be 5 upon 10. Okay. You can also this simplify. You can cut by the 5. 5 1 is 5 and 5 2 is 10. So you can write 1 upon 2. So I have told you about the subtraction of rational number. Now I will tell you the multiplication of rational number. That is how you will multiply the rational number. Okay. That means कि आप rational numbers को multiply कैसे करोगे. Okay. So suppose one rational number is given 3 upon 5 and the another rational number is given 1 upon 2. It is very simple. You have to just multiply the numerator and the denominators. So 3 ones are you will get here 3 and 5 twos are you will get here 10. So this is your answer. Okay, it is very simple. So another example I will take here. Suppose 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 10. It is very simple. You have to multiply the numerator and denominator. So 1 ones are 1 and 2 tens are 20. It is very simple. Okay. Suppose you understand. Now we have the division of rational number. That means how you will divide two rational number. How you will divide two rational number? I will tell you. See here. Suppose it is written 1 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 20. Okay, you have to divide this. Now what you have to do? It is very simple. Firstly you will divide 1 upon 5. Okay, and this division sign will be converted into multiply, and this will be the reciprocal. Reciprocal means ulta. Okay, suppose 5 upon 10 is written. The reciprocal of this will be 10 upon 5. Okay. Now you will use the reciprocal of this number. That means you will write here 20 upon 1. Okay. And I have told you the multiplication. You will multiply the numerator and you will multiply the denominator. Okay. So 21 are 20 and 5 are 5. You can also simplify this. So 5 4 are 20. Okay. So I have told you about the rational number, division of rational number, multiplication of rational number, addition of rational number, subtraction of rational number. So our topic is completed and you have to do the exercise. Exercise question you will solve, and in my next video I will tell you about the exercises. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.